Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a business website with WordPress.com step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Click on the Start Your Website button. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address, choose a username, and create a password. After filling in your details, click the Create Your Account button. Next, you'll be asked to select your website's domain name. Think of a name that reflects your brand or business. Type your desired domain name in the search bar. You may be given several options, including free and paid domains. Choose the option that suits your needs and click Select. Once you have a domain, WordPress.com offers several plans, including free options and premium features. Select a plan that fits your budget and requirements. After selecting your plan, you will need to enter your payment information if you chose a paid plan. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Themes in the sidebar. Browse through the available themes and select one that matches your business style. Once you've found a theme, click on Activate to apply it to your site. Next, click on Customize to tailor your website's appearance. Use the customization options to add your logo, change colors, and set fonts. Now, it's time to create your essential pages. Return to the dashboard and click on Site then Pages. Click Add a new page to create your home page. Title this page as Home and add relevant content about your business. Click Publish to make your home page live. Repeat this process to create other essential pages, such as About, Services, and Contact. For your services page, list the offerings and features of your business. Once you've created all necessary pages, go back to the dashboard. Now, set your home page. Click on Settings and then Reading. Select a static page and choose your new home page from the drop-down menu. Save your changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.